What's up guys, welcome back. Today guys we have cool free game on Epic Games mobile app. All you need to do, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also share this video with your friends. Okay guys, all you need to do, just download Epic Games app on your mobile. It's Epic version, you can download it on epicgames.com. After you download the app, install it on your phone and log in on your Epic Games account. After all that, just open Epic Games Store and you will see on store page, on home page, scroll here down, free games. Get this Construction Simulator 3. Just click on game and go here install. After that, you will get the game in library and you can play it forever. And you will see the game is downloading. And that's it all guys for this cool update how to get cool game on Epic Games Construction Simulator 3. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends.